Son of a bitch. Hey guys, ChrisFix here, and welcome to Clark's Garage. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Honda that won't start. As you can see right here, you're just a complete fucking moron. Now keep in mind, this is the first thing you want to check if your car doesn't start. So keep that in mind throughout the entire video. Now, a car that won't start, specifically a Honda, in this specific general area, there's a big problem. And I'll leave it up to you to figure out what it is. So just watch and see if you can figure out what I'm doing. Fucking moron. So the base of this problem begins here with these two things. Now I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me work for an hour. Alright, now I can't stress this enough, guys. Always use genuine Honda OEM parts if you don't want your car to fucking explode. Alright, herein the problem lied with the VTEC system. It wasn't operating, so the car couldn't turn over. But don't worry, it's all fixed now. Only a fucking idiot who knows nothing about cars couldn't fix this problem. And now it's time to test our metal. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hondas will not run without VTEC. Fucking idiots. Make sure you join us next time at Clark's Garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, stupid.